Welcome to Crazy Kids channel. Today we will look at a trick that will help us to do 8th table using our hands. We just want to have some fun doing it on hands, or if someone can't memorize the table, we can use this thing. It would be funny to do using our fingers. Let us see how we can do that now. We will have 4 steps. The first one is we need to locate the finger that represents the number by which we need to multiply 8. So we will first locate that, and that finger we will call it as actual finger. In this video also we represent that to be actual finger. Then we have to fold another finger, that is whatever the finger we have folded, now just take the same finger on another hand and fold it. This finger we will call it as helping finger. So we should be able to remember which is the actual finger and which is the helping finger as well. Calculating uh, that will play a major role. The first part of the answer will be obtained by calculating or counting the number of fingers towards left of the actual finger, and the second part is obtained by counting number of standing fingers between actual and helping finger in clockwise direction. Let us see at this using an example. Say here I am taking 8 times 3. Just keep your palm side by side. Fold the actual finger, that is the third finger here. This is the actual finger. Just fold it. And now the helping finger is same finger on the other side of the hand, on the other hand. So we will fold this finger. First part of the answer, count the number of fingers on the left side of actual, that is this is the actual for us here, right? So these two is the first part, and then number of standing fingers between actual and helping finger. So here 1 2 3 4, and this is the clockwise direction. We go like this in clockwise direction. So now it's 4. Let us understand with another example. 8 times 7, when we have to do first step, locate the actual. Second step, locate the helping. Third step, count the standing fingers on left of the actual finger. Here 1 2 3 4 5. We have folded this because it is the helping, we have folded and we are not going to count this. So 5, that gives the first part. Now the second part is from actual to helping in clock direction. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I will put it down to be 6. In this way we can take help of our fingers to arrive at the answer. With this the technique I have explained is done. But if you still want to see for each and every number how we do that, let us proceed in the video now. First is 8 times 1. Now locating actual, locating the helping, count on left. We don't have anything, so it's 0. I'm not putting it down. Now between actual and helping in clockwise, 4 and 4 is 8. That's the answer. So 8 times 2, same way actual. The helping finger towards the left of actual, one finger we have, and between these two here 3 and 3 is 6. Now 8 times 3, actual location, helping location. Towards left of the actual we have 2, put down the 2, and between the actual and helping 2 and 2, 4. For next thing, that is 8 times 4, actual location, helping location. Towards the actual we have got 3, now put down the 3, and between both we have 1 and 1, 2. When we say 8 times 5, actual position of finger, next helping position. Towards this left we have 4 standing fingers, 4, and between these two we don't have any standing fingers, so 0. When it says 8 times 6, actual would come into this hand now and helping will go on to this hand. Now again start counting the fingers towards left, 4 standing line fingers, but this is a folded finger, so we are not going to count this. We have only 4 standing. Put down 4, and now from actual to the helping in clockwise direction. That is why we have 4 and again 4. it is 8. 8 times 7, actual location, helping location, towards left 2 fingers and 3, 5. Now in clockwise direction 3, again 3, 6. 8 times 8, position of actual, position of helping, towards left is 2, 2, 4 plus 2, 6, and that second part of the result in the clock direction 2 plus 2, 4. 8 times 9, the actual position is here and helping position is here. Towards left of actual 3, 3, 6 plus 1, 7, and in clockwise direction 1, 1, 2. So for doing 8 times 10, the actual position, helping finger position, towards left 4 plus 4, 8, and between actual and helping in clockwise direction, this clockwise direction we don't have any standing finger, so 0. This way we can take help of our fingers and do the 8 table.